So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Microsoft Store is not able to download the apps, and if it's stuck in download location, download option, download process, even if it's any app or the game. Now, in order to fix that, simply hit Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you have to search for this prompt, that is reset.exe. Now, once you do that, what it does is simply clear all the cache and clear the data for Microsoft Store, and it restarts. Now, what it does, if any of the previous application download pending, it shows it simply stuck on the downloading process. And in order to fix that, you can easily run that, hit OK, and now you'll notice your Microsoft Store will restart again from scratch. And now if you again download that particular app or game, you'll notice that it will download very quickly. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.